everyone, Christina from Healthy Blessed Family. Just got my Trim Healthy Mama order. I order every month, and I got some new things to try this month, and some other things. Anyway, my normal stuff. So I just wanted to come on here and share with you what came in my box. Do you do a monthly order to THM? And if you do, what do you normally order? So share with me in the comments below. I ordered, so there are a few things I got for Bella for her birthday that she'll get at her party. So luckily this came in while she's at Vacation Bible School. So I got her some orange Silk Hydrating Cream. She loves to do facial creams and different things like that with her skin. I ordered 10 boxes of the Oolong Tea because they were discounting it. I'm down to 99 cents a box, which that did save me quite a bit that I normally order on Amazon. So I went ahead and got 10 boxes. They're not sure if they're going to keep bring that back or not. So I use Oolong Tea in my my iced vanilla fat burning tea all the time. And then in the winter I also use it for the caramel one. So I'm always using Oolong Tea because the iced vanilla fat burning tea is my absolute favorite sipper. So I use it all the time. So I'm just pulling these out so I can share with you what else I got. I also ordered the Girls in New Zealand Pure Soap Bar. We have not tried these yet. So I bought them to see if the girls will like it. We got lemon and orange. I wanted to order the body wash, and I forgot to put it in my order, so it has to wait till next month. I also got Bella for her birthday this spongy, it's a natural exfoliating contact sponge, so I got her that for her birthday. I also ordered more apricot extract because I use this in my Hello Sipper and my butterfly sipper. I also ordered Bella, this is the clear all natural blemish treatment for acne. This is AM Anytime. So I ordered her that for her birthday. I ordered some Unflavored Whey Protein because I was disappointed. I really wanted the vanilla bean, but it is out of stock at this time, so I'm gonna have to wait. So I bought the regular because I've been making the orange creamsicle quite a bit. I ordered more orange hydrates. I love these. These are my favorite hydrates. Wish it would come in the bulk because I would totally buy the orange in the bulk, honestly. But with school restarting and I'm going to be out running around a lot, it's good to have these in my purse. And then I also ordered more Super Sweet because I was almost out. So that's, order another thing. This is, the PM Overnight Clear. I got this for Bella as well for her birthday. So that's everything in my box. Some new to us items, and we'll let you know how we like them. And I hope everyone's doing well. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.